Hi, James Malarkey with Malarkey Roofing Products. Today we're going to do an impact test with our display board back here. On the left is the Legacy shingle, which is Class 4 impact resistant, and then on the right we have our polymer modified Vista shingle, which uses our next gen technology. So we're going to demonstrate how well these hold up to a 12-ounce fluid soda at 100 miles an hour. Alright, so as you saw, we just shot 2 full 12-ounce sodas into this, 100 miles an hour, and if you look, there's no damage to the shingle. It's a pretty impressive test and a true testament to the product's performance. Now we're going to try it on the Vista Class 3 impact resistant shingle to see how well it performs. Let's give it a shot and see how well it holds up. Although this isn't the most scientific test, we have a lot of fun doing it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Come see more at malarkeyroofing.com.